All right, this is our Decatur location. You're gonna park in the parking lot. You're gonna come through the front entrance. The door should be unlocked during normal business hours, but if for whatever reason it is locked, just enter the code that's on the confirmation email you received from us. You're then gonna come up, go right to your left up the stairs. We're on the second floor. You're gonna then make a right. We're in unit 20, go through 206. And you're gonna see 206 there. You're gonna make another right. And we're in unit B. So you're gonna make a right. You'll see the code. Enter the code that was given to you in the confirmation email. After you enter that code, come on in. You're gonna put your sign-on and password for the computer, and then go ahead and start your skill session. When you have completed, do me a favor, and if you can, wipe the mannequin off with the provided wipes. And that's it. So it's good for the next student. Thank you very much. On the way out, if you can go ahead and turn off the lights, and when you're leaving the room, just close the door and then hit the bottom left button. That locks it so that it's secure. Thank you very much.